I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, it's Jessica here from Beach Girl 2023, and I'm taking you with me to explore Albufeira in Portugal. At the start of the day, I'm standing in Praia do Castelo Beach, which is one of the city's stunning beaches. This is the perfect place to begin my day. From the Praia do Castelo beach to the hustle of the old town, you'll find an incredible variety of things to do and explore. As we walk down this street, you won't miss the old town with its cobbled streets full of unique shops, restaurants, and bars. Climb up to the top of the Praia do Castelo lookout and get incredible photos of the old town. We're going to the top, and with just a few steps, wow, the view isn't so beautiful. After enjoying the view, descend and continue the journey to explore the remainder of the old town. Stroll through the beautiful cobbled streets and soak in the atmosphere, visiting art galleries and unique shops. The rest of the old town is filled with an array of amazing restaurants. Take your pick. We're having a snack at one of the local restaurants. It's great. The restaurant serves traditional Portuguese dishes, full of flavor. On the way back to the beach, you'll come across the lively Fisherman's Beach with its incredible sunsets and live music. It's the perfect end to our day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And don't forget to follow Beach Girl 2023 to keep up with all my other amazing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.